Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. Hey guys, Naomi Findlay here from naomifindlay.com, and today I want to talk to you guys about visual boredom and how we can remedy that. As you all know, because many of you have heard me talk before about the impact of visual boredom of us in our lives and in our workspaces, and how important it is that we're stimulated from a visual and environmental perspective to ensure that we increase our ability to thrive and be creative in our workspaces, which ultimately, let's face it, has a huge impact on our bottom line. So today I want to talk to you about that, and to do that, I'm going to give you my top tips on little things you can change in your space to decrease your visual boredom. Now, I'm not suggesting that every week you go changing things about. If that's what works for you, then go for it. But what I'm actually talking about is about every 6 or 12 months looking at having a small overhaul or a small makeover of the space that you're spending your most time in, whether it's living or whether it's working. So here are my top tips. The first thing I look to change in my space, in my workspace, when I'm looking to refresh and make sure I escape the traps of visual boredom, is my lighting. So my desk lamp is one of the first things I look to change out. It's affordable, it's easy, it takes very little time and energy to do that. Simply shopping online is often enough. The next thing I look at when I'm looking to make sure I break the visual boredom cycle is my stationery. So I make sure that every 6 months I look at using stationery that has a fresh and different look to what I'm used to. The next thing I change out is actually my laptop case. I work on my laptop every single day, and so by having a different look and feel to my laptop, my iPad and my phone case, it actually allows me to make sure that I'm visually stimulated in a different way to what I was before. The next thing I look at are the types of plants that I have in my space. So every 6 months when I look to refresh my workspace, I change out not only the pot, but the type of plant I'm using. And usually those small handful of things are enough to be able to just make enough of a change that the brain is stimulated and invigorated with different surroundings and a different environment, that you break that cycle of visual boredom. You don't have to go as far as repainting rooms, buying new office furniture. You could certainly look to change any art that you might have had in the space, but there's plenty more to talk about with this, but they are my top tips. And so what we've done for you below is, for right here and right now, we've curated a couple of products that are available on the market in Australia and internationally that you can have a look at for tips on changing out your lamps, changing out your stationery, looking at your plants that you could possibly use in your office, and also the cases and accessories that come with your technology. So I hope you enjoy looking at all that office candy that we have below, and I will talk to you guys again soon. See you later.